Hello friends and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to install dual apps on Samsung Galaxy A55. Many applications are compatible to run dual. In this video I will install dual WhatsApp and dual Facebook. In the settings menu, scroll down and tap on advanced features. Scroll down and tap on dual messenger. All the applications that are compatible to work dually will appear on the screen. Press the switch next to the application you want to be duplicated and press the install button. I also installed dual Facebook. An icon of the duplicated application will automatically appear on the screen. The icon will be a little different from the original one. Thank you for watching. I wish you a wonderful day and goodbye.